Look, Sep. Well, look at you. Let's see if anything's biting. Anything biting, I wonder. Well, you're on, my friend. Good to meet you. Okay, girl. Good girl. That's it. Yep.
Well, hello.
Hello, gentlemen.
Hello.
Nice to see some friendly faces around here.
Hello.
Thinking of going after them, are you? I'd wager you're more than up to it.
Gods are still unkind. I've been waiting on that winning streak for some time.
That's just the way of things, I guess.
I happen to know that feller is farming the swamp. Or trying to. Up by Sweetwater Strand.
Hello.
Stay, girl. Uh-oh, mister. Got yourself into a hell of a state. Just watch yourself, all right? Come on, girl.
Apparently, Angus tried to gild another bull.
Well, howdy now. Okay. That's the story. Oh,
Raiders fought tooth and nail for this territory, and here's you just strolling through. I've seen folk like you before, always the first to run screaming.
I ain't here to cause trouble.
Round here's a dozen townsfolk offer to bury you just to keep my hands clean. You can hightail now. Running from the side of three men. Got some sense after all.
Yeah. 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 You done good, girl.
We ain't going till you get this right.
I can't, Daddy. Please,
Let him in. He's been trying. They're here for your bounty. Oh, come to Mama, boy.
Don't shoot. I'm unarmed. We knew you was coming. I got something to ask. I'm a changed man, okay? Let me say my farewells. I'll come away peaceable. Please. Just a few words, huh? It's just
Make
a
it
boy.
quick.
You're a forgiven man. Boy, come here. Listen. Exactly as I say. You hear?
Don't leave us, Pop.
I ain't gonna fight you in front of my family, okay? Take me away, or let me loose. You gonna take me, or what? You wanna take me? Take me. He's showing us clemency. Go, before he changes his mind. Go!
This is very kind of you.
Just us now, son. It's just us. Daddy did a bad thing. And there ain't no such thing as forgiveness.
Johnson. Johnson! What? Just, you're real quiet back there. Most captured men, they beg or they cry or they rail against fate.
I've made my peace.
Okay.
I ain't caught a bounty myself in a while. Hope that was worth something.
That son of a bitch. Come on. Back, you little snake. There we go. Oh, no, you don't. Damn. I'll do these times this time. How's that? Now, what was the point in all that? Could have got your neck broke prematurely.
There he is! Like the boy said! Let him go back!
that's all your friends, ain't it? You shouldn't have done that. And now look what's happened. Dead because of you. Damn it. I knew you was being quiet. All right.
See what now?
Let's see about this. Hold on. Won't be long till we're in Rhodes. This is Rhodes. You're almost shot of me.
I'm ready. I hope they make it quick.
Hellfire!
Get a move on, will you?
Tarnation? First tell some fools looking for oil nearby.
Anyway,
Found this feller on a small holding. Name's Mark Johnson.
You can only run so long, son. There's your cell. You're lucky it's not a grave.
I was out in the bayou. Wasn't hurting no one.
Maybe you weren't, but those partners of yours were a rough bunch.
Go to hell.
That's the price for Johnson.
I didn't take it, someone else would have.
You tell yourself that, bounty hunter. You ain't whiter than white. I hope your past catches up with you.